Are you facing a frustrating situation where iTunes could not connect to your iPhone? This common issue can be a real roadblock, preventing you from managing your device's content, performing backups. If you've bumped into this error, this VIDE is here to provide you with reliable solutions. Part 1. Why iPhone is not showing up on iTunes. Absence of trust, defective USB components, outdated iTunes versions, software glitches, locked iPhone or power down, driver challenges, security software interference, sync configuration errors, Apple ID sign-in. Part 2. Fix iPhone not showing up in iTunes with 9 methods. Method 1. Try a different port, cable, or computer. If your iPhone isn't appearing on iTunes, the issue may be with your computer, USB port, or cable. Try using a different computer, USB port, or cable if possible. Method 2. Trust your computer. Tap Trust on your iPhone when prompted with Trust this computer. In iTunes, if you previously selected Don't Trust, change this by going to Settings, General, Reset Location, and Privacy. Method 3. Install security software. Using non-Apple security software on your iPhone can disrupt iTunes connections and cause issues like iPhone doesn't show up in iTunes during syncing, backing up, or restoring. Method 4. Run Apple mobile device and update driver software. Your Apple drivers might malfunction, causing your Windows PC to fail in recognizing your iPhone. Despite multiple attempts to establish trust, the driver issue could be why your iPhone's absent in iTunes, necessitating a reinstallation. Method 5. Reinstall Apple mobile device USB driver. Close iTunes. Connect iPhone via USB. In Device Manager, find Device, right-click, choose Update Driver. Click Have Dist. Go to C. Program Files Common. Filiaplimable device support reversibles 64 NF. Choose Use Bopple 64 NF. Click OK. Method 6. Update iTunes. If you've recently acquired an iPhone and linked it to an outdated version of iTunes on your PC, you might encounter the iPhone not popping up on iTunes. Newly acquired iPhones often come with older iTunes versions, necessitating an upgrade to the latest version of iTunes. Method 7. Update iOS. Staying up to date with the latest iOS version is crucial. Additionally, updating can address bug-related problems, including the iPhone not working with iTunes. Method 8. Restart both your iPhone and computer. If your iPhone still doesn't appear in iTunes, try restarting both your iPhone and computer. This common step can help clear out temporary data that might be causing the iTunes device not showing. It's a simple but worthwhile solution to consider. Method 9. Contact Apple. Assuming you've attempted all the troubleshooting steps and even tested the connection on another computer without success, it's likely that you're dealing with a hardware issue. At this point, your best course of action would be to contact Apple support for their assistance.